All right, eighth graders, this is your bell work for this year. Our bell work will look just like it did last year. You will need to complete each day's work and submit each day separately to me through Canvas. Whether you choose to do day one on the first day of the week, then day two, then day three, then day four, or if you choose to sit down and do all of the days and the mastery in one setting and submit them to me separately, you can do that. I will go over day one with you, then you will have the rest to do on your own. Remember, you can use your resources to help you answer these questions. So, for example, on here we have the first problem says write an expression for the calculation of double 2 and then add 5. Well, double means a 2. So I'm going to take 2 times 2. Remember, the parentheses also mean multiplication. So I doubled my 2, and then I'm going to add 5. It doesn't say anything about answering it. It just says to write an equation or an expression. So I did that. Going over to the next box, it says list the factors of 4. Factors are numbers that are multiplied together to give you that answer. So if I always start with 1, 1 times 4 equals 4. Remember, I used a dot instead of the X to mean multiplication. Going up, I know that 2 times 2 equals 4. Then there's no other numbers that will be multiplied together to give us the answer of 4. Then it asks, is the number 4 prime or composite? If you remember, prime means only one and itself are multiplied or are factors of it. Since we have more than 2 or more than 1, it is a composite number. So on here, all you have to do is circle composite. Coming down here, you have 25 divided by 5. I know that the answer is 5. And then I'm going to have to write in the next box, it's less than, greater than, or equal to makes the statement true. So I know that 7 hundredths is the way 7 thousandths or 7 hundredths. 7 thousandths is less than 7 hundredths because we're on the other side of the decimal point. So that's day one. Remember to submit each day separately. Here is day 2. Get it done and submit through Canvas. Here is day 3. Get it done and submit through Canvas. Since there are only technically 4 days in this week because of Labor Day, I gave you 3 days of bell work, and then this is the mastery part. You need to do your best. You need to use your resources. Don't forget to submit each day's work separately to me through Canvas. Have fun and enjoy.